In this video, we will learn about the Telegram to MetaTrader 5 software. We have already downloaded the software on our computer, but before installing the software, we need to make some settings on the computer. Go to your computer's settings. Then click on Time and Language. After that, click on Date and Time, and here in Additional Settings, click on the Sync Now button. Once it's synced, close this window. You can install this software by double-clicking it, just like any other Windows software. After installation, click on the Finish button, and here you need to enter the key for the product you have purchased. After entering the key, click on the OK button. So, your Telegram to MetaTrader 5 software is now open. Now we will log into the Telegram account from our software. To log in, you can click on the Login button provided in the menu bar to log into Telegram. Or you can click on the Telegram Login button in the toolbar. Here you have to enter your Telegram API ID, API hash, and Telegram mobile number with the country code. If you don't know how to generate the API, you can click on the How to Use button to watch the video on how to generate the API. After entering all the details, click on the OK button. Now our software is connecting with Telegram, and you should have received an OTP on your Telegram account. You need to enter this OTP here. Let's go to Telegram and check. So, here we have received an OTP in Telegram, which we need to enter into our software. After entering the OTP, click on the OK button. Here, you can see that it says the Telegram account is successfully connected. This is our software's journal, where you can see all the actions performed by the software. Under the Telegram login option in the menu bar, there is an option to select MetaTrader 5 path. If you have more than one MT5 installed on your computer, the software might get confused about which MT5 to place the trade on. So from here, you can select the specific path. The software will operate only the MT5 that you select. It won't update the other ones. If you have only one MT5 installed on your PC, then you don't need to select anything. Even if you do select or don't select, it doesn't matter. This is only necessary when there are multiple MT5 installed on the computer or server. After selecting the path, click the OK button. The path will be saved. After that, there's an option for Telegram chat. Here, you can see a list of all the channels you follow on Telegram. You can select the channel whose signals you want to copy. You can select multiple channels. After selecting a channel, click on the Insert button. If you want to remove a channel, select it and then click on the Remove button, and the channel will be removed. Select the channel you want and then click on the OK button. You can see that the chat is saved. Next, there is an option for General Settings. From this window, you can select your trade's magic number, and your trade will open with this magic number. Then there's an option for Maximum Slippage, where you can write your slippage. After that, there's an option for Maximum Spread. If the spread is more than this, the trade will not open. And if you write 0 for the maximum spread, that function will be disabled, meaning the spread filter will not work at that time. Both maximum slippage and maximum spread values are given in points, so you need to remember to write those values in points all. After that, there are options for the number of retry orders and retry after seconds. When the software sends an order to MetaTrader 5, if the order does not get placed or fails due to some issue on your broker's server or your server, how many times do you want to retry the order? You can write that here. And after one failure, how many seconds you want to wait before retrying? You can enter that duration in seconds here. After entering all the inputs, click on the OK button. Then there's an option for lot quantity settings. In the lot type, you can see 3 options: fixed lot, auto lot, and risk percentage. If you select fixed lot, the order will be placed with the value input in the fixed lot input. If you select the auto lot option, its formula is displayed on your screen, which is your account balance divided by your auto lot factor. The resulting value will be the quantity of your trade. Then there is an option for trading based on risk percentage. This automatically decides your quantity based on your account balance, stop loss, and the inputs you provide. It calculates the inputs of stop loss, account balance, and risk percentage to define the quantity of your trade and places the order with that quantity. After setting everything, click on the OK button to save the settings. Then there's an option for time settings. If you want to define the start and end times for the software, you can do it here. To define the start and end times, you need to set the time check to true. Then you can define your start and end times. You can also select the time zone according to which country you want to set your start and end times. By default, Asia Kolkata means the Indian Standard Time Zone. You can select any time zone for your country. After setting it, click on the OK button. The journal will show all times according to the selected time zone. Now we will learn about the keyword settings. As you may know, every Telegram channel has a different message format. Some write bye as bye, others may write bye as long. Therefore, every channel has its own set of words. You need to define the words used in the messages of the channel whose trades you want to copy. For example, regarding the word buy, how is buy defined in your messages? You need to write that here. After writing, when you click on the Add button, that keyword will be added. If you want to remove any keyword, select it and click on the Remove button. You can also select and remove multiple keywords. After entering the keyword, click on the OK button. Similarly, you have to enter the words for sell. After entering, click on the OK button. Here in the journal, you will also see that your keywords have been saved. Similarly, there are keywords for stop loss, take profit. As you might know, many messages have up to 4 levels of take profits, like take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, take profit 4. Here you also have the option to define keywords for 4 levels of take profit. You need to define the keyword used in the message for each take profit. If you define all 4 keywords, the software will open 4 trades. 1 trade will open for each take profit. If there are 4 take profits, 4 trades will open. 3 take profits will open 3 trades. 2 take profits will open 2 trades, and 1 take profit will open 1 trade. So, you can also define the keywords for take profit here. If you only want to open 1 trade, enter the keywords only for the take profit level you want to trade on and remove all other take profit keywords. The trade will open with the take profit level for which you have entered the keywords. If you want to open trades without take profit or stop loss, then remove all their keywords. If there are no keywords, it won't be able to define take profit or stop loss, and the trade will open without them. Then there's the keyword for close order. Just like when any channel sends a message to close an order, if you want to work on that message, you can enter the keywords for close according to the format of the message here. Next are the keywords for break even. Break-even keywords mean that if you receive a message on your Telegram channel to move the stop loss to the entry price and you want to work on that message, you can enter those keywords here. If you do not want to work on these actions, you need to remove all keywords here. If you remove all keywords and click OK, no action will be taken on a break-even message. Then there's the cancel keyword. In the Telegram channel you follow, there are many informative messages. But sometimes, these informative messages also contain the buy and sell keywords you have inputted. The software will also consider these messages as signal messages and place the order. To prevent this, you can use the cancel keyword. It means if any word in the informative message is not usually found in signal messages, then write that keyword here. If that keyword is present in your message, the software will ignore it and the order will not be opened. Now, let's talk about the symbol keyword feature. This feature allows you to link the symbols received in your Telegram signals to the available symbols in your MT5 platform. Let me explain why this is important. Sometimes, the way symbols are named on Telegram is slightly different from how they are named inside your MT5. For example, your Telegram channel might show a signal like Euro, while in your MT5, the same symbol might be listed slightly differently. Maybe Euro USD, or with a suffix like Euro USDM or Euro USDC. If you try to directly place trades without matching these correctly, it could cause errors or missed trade placements. To avoid this, we have provided a symbol keyword mapping option. Here's how it works. In the software, you will see a field where you can enter the exact symbol format as it appears in your Telegram channel. For example, if the signal comes in as EUUS in Telegram, you type EUUS in the Telegram symbol section. Then, in the MT5 symbol section, you select the corresponding available symbol, such as Euro USD, from the drop-down list. Once you add and save this mapping, the software automatically knows whenever it sees EU-US in a Telegram message, it should place the trade using Euro USD inside MT5. This way, even if the names are different, your trade placement will happen smoothly and without any errors. You can also search for symbols if you have many symbols listed. Simply start typing the name. The search bar will instantly filter the results, making it easy to find and select the correct MT5 symbol. If at any point you want to remove a mapping, simply click the Remove button next to that entry. If you want to clear all mappings, there is a Remove All button available as well. Now here's something even more powerful. You are not limited to mapping Telegram symbols exactly as they are. If you want, you can redirect a signal to a different symbol. For example, if a signal for Euro USD comes in Telegram, but you want the trade to be placed on GBP USD instead, you can map Euro USD to GBP USD inside the software. This symbol keyword feature makes sure that your trade placement process remains error-free, flexible, and fully customizable, even if your Telegram signals and MT5 symbols do not exactly match in name. In short, you have full control over which Telegram signals get placed on which MT5 symbols. After you are done adding all your symbol mappings, simply click the OK button to save your changes. As soon as you click the Start Trading button, the software will automatically open MetaTrader 5. You don't even need to open MetaTrader 5 manually. However, keep in mind, your Auto Trading button should be enabled. If this button is disabled, your trade will not open, so you must keep the Auto Trading button enabled. Now, whenever any message comes in our Telegram channel, the order will automatically open according to it. As you can see, as soon as a message arrives on our channel, our software automatically opens that trade. In this message, you can see that there are 4 take profits given. Accordingly, 4 orders have been opened. 1 order for take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and take profit 4. 1 order has opened for each take profit. The trade has been opened with our specified magic number. As soon as the message for close arrives, all your GBP JPY trades have closed. And whenever a close message comes, the orders will close according to your signal message. And whenever an open order message comes, the order will open according to your signal. Then, in the comments of our trade, you might see some numbers. These numbers correspond to the ID number of the selected Telegram channel, and you can see them in the comments of your trade. In our software, there will be 3 buttons visible: Close All Buy, Close All Sell, and Close All Orders. By clicking this button, you can close all orders in your MetaTrader 5 account at once. So in this way, with the help of this software, you can automate any signal from your Telegram channel.